Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clear all Wi-Fi profiles on Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net sh space, WLAN space, show space, profile. Type net sh space, WLAN space, delete space, profile space, star. All Wi-Fi profiles are deleted. Type exit from command prompt. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.